Ketchikan, Alaska. We hopped into a van from the cruise port and headed up along the coastline. Our first stop was Salmon Falls Resort. The entire place is a giant log cabin and is very inviting against the green backdrop. We found Pops' duck inside the main eating area. We started out with a lox bagel, followed by fresh cut-up fruit. Then we got our sample platters with salmon, halibut, and crab cakes. Right after, we finished up with a great blueberry tart dessert. Once we were done with our meal, we headed outside to do some exploring. The day was gorgeous, with partly cloudy skies and the temperature around 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Right behind the resort sits Salmon Falls, a majestic-looking landscape in the deep green forest. The creek runs right into the ocean, where the salmon were jumping out of the water for us. Next, we walked down to the docks to get ready to catch our plane ride. At the docks, they had fishing gear at the ready for all of their trips out to the ocean. Well, what you think?
Pretty cool. Can we get a selfie with it?
You want what? You want a what? No. When our plane was safely tied up, we boarded and got ready for our flight along the coastline. Our plane, of course, was a floatplane and needed no ordinary runway to take off. Our pilot gave us a brief, shut the door, and then we got ready to go. The plane ride was about 25 minutes total, from what I remember, and we were lucky it was not canceled due to bad weather. The views outside the plane were simply spectacular, seeing the landscape pass by below us. We passed over islands, boats, and even a small Navy training subbase. Our plane seated 8 people max, and we had 1 seat left over for this trip. We went through the cruise ship company, and they used Taquan Air charters for our flight. It rains on average about 205 days out of the year, reaching upwards to about 250. Be mindful if you go that it could be raining. This tour was not above the misty fjords, but over the main coastline going down to Ketchikan. Soon we arrived above our final destination, and were greeted with sunshine poking through the clouds, making everything look brighter and colorful. Passing by the airport, we caught Alaskan Airlines coming in for a landing. Coming down was smooth and easy. Back on the water, our pilot taxied us towards the dock. At the end of the day, we had a very pleasant tour and enjoyed our time in the sky, looking at all of the last frontier in Alaska.